Hey folks, let's check what do they find attractive about you. Pick a deck, deck 1, deck 2 and deck 3. Pick one which calls out to you intuitively. If you feel like the other one calls out to you as well, do check that one as well. You might have a hidden message from them as well. Okay, so pick a deck which calls out to you intuitively. What do they find attractive about you? You could pause the video and choose. The timestamps are given in the description column below. Okay. Hey pile one, deck one. If you have chosen this amazing Rootcraft tarot deck, let's check what do they find attractive about you. Okay. What do they find attractive about you, Palwan? What do they find attractive about you? We have the Fool, Princess of Pentacles, and the Wheel. Okay, Wheel of Fortune. So, the Fool, Princess of Pentacles, and the Wheel. As I'm seeing Princess of Pentacles, I feel like they like the thing that you think a lot. Okay, this is great. Maybe you overthink a lot and they like that about you. They have seen your face or they have imagined you while you are lost in your thoughts, and they like that. It makes them feel it is just it makes them feel, oh my god, you're so attractive. Okay. And I feel like maybe they like your hair, your cheekbones, your cheeks. Okay. And anything else, if I'm getting, maybe your hands, your fingers, because the way she's holding this card. I'm sorry, the pentacle. So, Princess of Pentacle, okay, they like that you're so grounded. At times, you're connected to nature because we have the Fool as well, and we have a dog here. It also shows that they like that you are loyal, kind-hearted, but free-spirited, and anything else that I'm getting. Maybe your legs. I feel your ankles, your legs. Are attractive to them, your lips as well. mm, I don't know if you dance or not, but the way you move or the way you walk, or if you dance, yes, they like that thing, they love it. And we have the Wheel. Maybe if you have a tattoo or I don't know, but I strongly feel hair. Yes, they love your hair. It makes you look so attractive. You might have long hair or shoulder length hair, but they like that. Okay. And they like watching you do whatever you want to do. It's like, they watch you whenever you do something, like even if it's a daily life thing, they like that. Okay. And I don't know, I have a feeling they love your neck as well. Okay, your neck makes you look attractive to them. And yeah, I said before, right? Your ankles or your legs, your hands. And if you have a tattoo or some jewelry or something that you wear in your hands or something, they like that. And I feel like seeing this, I feel like they want to gift you some kind of jewelry, maybe. Okay. But I don't know, I'm getting this strongly. They love it when you're immersed in your mind or in your thoughts. They love watching you when you are really serious. I don't know. They love it when you are lost or lost in a thought, or you are trying to find a solution. You are serious, or thinking something, and yeah, this is what I'm feeling. They like that. It makes you look attractive. Okay. So anything else? Mm, I'm attractive in your silence. Makes you look attractive. Okay, this is a collective general reading. Take what resonates, guys. Justice. Okay. Four of Pentacles. Five of Swords. Okay, so I feel like if we talk, it's like, one more thing they find attractive about you is like they can come to you for any solutions or any advices, because you give them great advices. You analyze the problem, analyze the situation, and you listen. Okay, you listen to them. So this is a great quality of yours. And you are also kind of a person, if you want something, okay, you might be stubborn. Take what resonates, guys. You might be kind of stubborn. If you want something, you'll go get it. Okay, so this is the quality they like about you. And I don't know, some of you guys who are watching this video are always in their power, sitting in their power, and that self-respect, that thing is there in the love, that essence that you carry. Okay. And I don't know, seeing the Fool and Four of Pentacles in this deck, I feel like you like exploring, or you get sometimes some people who are watching this video get some weird questions which does not make sense but makes sense to you. So they like that you have a thing to analyze and question a lot, even if it's a small thing. So it makes you look attractive. Okay, so now I pulled out 5 chips for pile 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's see. Okay, you are natural, you do not fake it, you're authentic. Okay, they love that about you. That is great, this is nice. And the next one is, okay, they love your soul. Okay, this is amazing. They love your soul. They genuinely do. So the next is the voice. Okay, they like your voice. They find it attractive. I don't know, maybe you talk with a lot of expressions in your voice. You are not a blunt speaker, but you have a lively, tone and expressions while you speak. This is great. And the next is your lips. Okay, this is beautiful. They find it attractive. And together with voice, we have communication as well. So obviously, your communication skills are really amazing. So they like that about you. So pile 1, this was your reading. I mean, deck 1, this was your reading. What did they find attractive about you? Please do let me know in the comment section below if it resonated or not. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much, guys. Hey, pile 2, I mean deck 2. If you have chosen this beautiful Gilded Reverie Lenormand deck, let's check what makes you look attractive to them. Wow, this is so beautiful. A man with a rose. Okay, I feel like they look at you a lot. They all, I don't know, I'm getting two messages here. People, if you're in a relationship, or if it's just a crush, they look at you a lot, they stare at you, they sight you. But if you are in a long distance relationship, they keep on checking your pictures. Okay, and if it's just your ex that you have chosen, I feel like they are stalking you. Okay, they are admiring you. Okay, now let's check deck 2. Yeah, what about you is attractive to them? 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 Okay. Huh. Wow, this is amazing. I don't know, I'm getting a feeling they love your heart the most. It's like, I don't know, guys. I feel like you have been through a lot of shit. Maybe. Wait, let me just. This looks so beautiful, right? Yeah. So I feel like you guys, I mean, you people who are watching this video have been through a lot of shit maybe in the past, and you shared this with them. Maybe you have been vulnerable to them. And it's like they want to cherish you, they want to have a family with you, they want to build a house with you, they want to grow with you. Okay, I actually asked the cards about what do they find attractive about you, but it's just showing their feelings. Oh my god. So it makes me feel like they love your heart. It's like you are so genuine and authentic. They love your heart, your soul, and everything. Okay. So it's just so beautiful. And it's like, you are something that they want to dive in. There are a lot of stuff, they feel like you're kind of a mystery. Maybe you have shared everything about you, but there is something that they always want to explore you more and more and more. They want to dive deep, and they want to see everything. They want to see you raw and naked, like your soul, mind, body, heart, everything. This is such a beautiful message, guys. This man or this woman want to know everything about you. They find you a full package kind of a person. They find everything about you so attractive. Even if it's your mind, your body, your soul, or your heart, anything, guys, it just makes them feel like I want to dive deep more and more, explore more and more, because this thing gets more beautiful. This thing gets more beautiful. Like each and every step they take towards you, it just keeps on getting better. It's like, wow, this is amazing, I want to know more. Okay, so it's like everything about you makes them feel that you are really attractive. Now we wanted specifically cards. Just tell me, deck two, what do they find attractive about you? What do they find attractive about you? Okay, we have the sun. Maybe you radiate a lot of happiness, or maybe your eyes. I don't know why they love your eyes. They, whenever they talk to you, they look at your eyes more, and I feel like they wanna dive deep inside. And I don't know. Over here, we're seeing the sun, and the red thing over here. It just makes me feel like they blush a lot when it comes to you. Okay, maybe they love your cheeks as well, and I don't know, something about you. Maybe when your hair falls over your face, or it's just your hair, they love your hair. They love your lips. They love your eyes. It's the most attractive thing. They could get lost in your eyes. Okay, so this is what I'm getting. We'll ask for more. Okay, wait up. Deck 2, what do they find attractive about you? Deck 2, what do they find attractive about you? Okay. I I feel like some of you guys who are watching this video, I was guided to tell this. You have been lazy lately. You need to move. Okay, it's not their feelings, or it's not their attractive thing about you. It's just I was guided to tell you this, that you have been lazy lately. You need to work your ass up. Okay, guys, move. And yeah. So we have the ship. I feel like it also talks about the way you move, the way you walk, or it might also talk about a long distance, or it might also talk about they want to really come and give you a tight hug. They want to feel you really warm. Okay, they want your hug. They want to feel your warmness and warmth, and anything else that I'm getting. Okay, some of you guys who are watching this video, take what resonates as a general reading. You might be goal oriented, or you might have a plan. So they like that thing that you always have a plan, whatever the reason might be, even after going through hella loads of shit. Okay, backup plans I'm seeing, and they like that. And I feel like you guys might be creative. Some of you guys maybe drawing or anything, painting, drawing, or writing a poem or anything. They think it's really attractive. And anything else if I'm getting is okay, I'm getting eyes a lot, so eyes and let me check. Hmm. Okay, so as we see in this car, there are a lot of people, over here socializing, having fun, and I feel like you both might have mutual friends or anything, and sorry, and they are take what resonates. You both might have mutual friends, or they like how you socialize and how you make people comfortable in your aura, in your in your surrounding, like you make everyone so comfortable and happy, so they like that thing about you. Okay, so let's just pull out another card. This is beautiful. Okay, wait. What do they find attractive about you, pile 2? What do they find attractive about you? Oh wow. So we have a child here, and it is totally the innocence, the kindness that you carry, and you're really they really want to cherish you like a child. Okay, they want to pamper you, they want to take care of you, let them take care of you guys. Okay, and near that we have this. I feel like somewhere they want to see your sexual side as well. I don't know, I'm getting this feeling they know you. They almost, they love everything about you, but they really want to cherish and take care of that sexual side of yours. They feel like doing it. Okay. This is a collective general reading. Take what resonates, okay, guys? And they really want to try some kinky stuff with you. Okay, yeah, I said it. So, this is what I'm getting. Now, I have pulled 5 chits for you guys. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, let's check. You are really helpful. This is beautiful. You are helpful. Okay, they love your humor. They love your sense of humor. This is amazing. Loyal. Yes. Loyal. You are loyal. They like that about you. It makes them feel you're attractive. Okay, we got this. We got eyes. As I said before, eyes are being highlighted. They love your eyes. They love your curves. Oh my god. I don't know. While I was writing this shit curves, I felt like mostly if you're a guy watching this video, they love your chest area, and if you're a woman watching this video, they love your hip area the most, and chest area as well. Like totally the curves, yes. Yeah, this is beautiful. So yes, pile 2, this was your reading. It was a beautiful reading. So please do like, comment, share and subscribe. Let me know if you liked it, if it resonated in the comment section below. Thank you so much, guys. Bye. Hey folks, if you have chosen this beautiful Mystic Monday Tarot deck, pile 3, I mean deck 3, let's check what do they find attractive about you. Okay, so Think of that person as I'm shuffling the cards. We have Three of Wands, Knight of Wands, and Eight of Pentacles. Okay, so they like your maybe you're sensitive. Okay, I feel like they love that you are sensitive, smart, wise, kind, emotional at times, helpful, genuine. Okay, I'm getting this, and I feel like they love your hair. Okay, even if you put it into a ponytail, a bun, or anything, they love your hair and your lips. Okay, they love how you move. Okay, this Knight of Wands, as I'm seeing, it makes me feel like the way you move, the way you walk, the way you sit, the way you talk. Yeah, talk. Okay, the way maybe if you dance, or it's just if you're running, or the way you stand, posing, they like that about you. I don't know, I feel like they keep on admiring you. They stalk you a lot, and they look at your photos and pictures. I feel that, and they love the way your hands move. Okay, it's attractive, and anything else, I feel like they could vibe with you. They feel like, they have this feeling that you understand them much better than anyone else. They have this feeling, okay? And it's like you give them meaning, you give their life a meaning, their heart a meaning, their soul a meaning. It's like that. And okay, so let's check more. What do they find attractive in you? Anything else they find attractive in you? What do they find okay, what do they find attractive in you? We have the death. Okay, I don't know. Seeing this death, I feel like they love your cheekbones and the way you laugh or smile. Okay, um, the star. Okay, this is beautiful. And the sun, this is beautiful. Okay, they genuinely like your smile. Your smile radiates hope and positivity to people, okay? It is like that. Wait a minute. It is like, your smile and the way you make people comfortable, and the way you radiate hope and happiness through your smile or laughter. I don't know, I feel like some of you guys who are watching this video might have strange laughter, maybe weird one, you're getting my point, yes. But they love love that thing about you. And seeing the star, I feel like your skin, I don't know, this eyes, they love your eyes, but something about you, it's so shimmering, and uh, I don't know, they feel it so uh, they feel like you shine. Okay, so I feel like they love your skin, the way it shines, and the way it's seen. uh, and the sun, I feel like they love your hair. They um they definitely love your chest area. And mm, if you guys have jawline, it is highlighted here. If you don't, then take what resonates, guys. And your shoulders, they really want to hug you. And actually, they want to hold you more than hug you. It's like they want to hold you, and they love your smile a lot. Okay, you are so cheerful and so beautiful. They feel that. Okay, so this is amazing. Now I have pulled 5 chits for you guys. Let's check You have got, yeah, positivity. Wow, this is beautiful. As I said, you radiate positivity. You make them feel positive. They love that about you. And the next we have is your heart. Yes, they genuinely love your heart. You're really kind hearted. Okay. And the next we have is your smile. Okay. I wasn't expecting that, but I was expecting it. They love the way you smile. It's like your eyes smile, okay? Your cheekbones and seeing the death card here. It's like that. And I don't know, I feel like some of you guys are watching this video. Whenever they drink water or when they laugh, it just spits out. Okay. Because you don't have this controlling capacity when you laugh, you just burst out. You do not think, okay, you just burst out, and they love that about you. Okay. So the next one we have is your hair. As I said before, they love your hair. And the next one we have is the movement. Okay, I said right, the way you move or the posture that you hold. So they love that. Okay. So pile 3, this was your reading. It was a general collective reading. Take what resonates, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please do like, comment, share and subscribe. Let me know in the comment section below if you liked it or not, resonated or not, or if you have any further ideas on what I should make videos on. You could help me, suggest me some. I'll be grateful if you do so. Yeah, thank you so much, File 3. Bye.